Okay, this is a number 6 Harken winch. It's the smallest winch you can buy, and I'm using on my 21-foot sailboat, using it to help assist raise the mainsail, and leading the line, the main sheet back to, the halyard back to the cockpit. So I just bought this, and I was curious how to take it apart. And the instructions are pretty simple. They just say remove top screw and lift off drum. So the top screw is inside there, so we'll remove that with a slotted screwdriver and lift off drum. So let's have a look, see what happens, see what it looks like. By the way, I couldn't find a video of this on YouTube, probably because it's too simple. I haven't had it apart yet, so let's see. There. Yeah, maybe a little more. Maybe unscrew it a little more. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's loose. Now let's see what comes off. No. Well, here's the screw and a spacer there. And so this should just come up. Maybe we have to spin it. I knew it. I knew there would be a trick to this. Well, here it comes. It's coming off the bottom. Okay. Hopefully nothing pops out. But if you're doing this on the boat, maybe on the water, I guess things shouldn't pop out or you'd be in trouble. Here it comes. All right, there we go. So to install, I have 6 holes in the base to install, and this is going on the cabin roof of my sailboat. Then we have, oh, there we go. So looks like a little bit of wiggling to put things together there. There's these, what are these called? They're called the, are they called the cams? Pawls, P-A-W-L. These little pawls here are holding this washer in to keep it from falling out. And I guess if you take these 2 pawls out, all of this comes out and you can maintain it. I think there's some pawls on the top as well. I'm not going to do that today. Oh yeah, look at there, that piece there comes out from the top. So if I push on it here, up it comes. But I don't need to do that today. So let's just put it back together. And probably going to take a little bit of wiggling to get the stainless washer in place. Oh, there we go. Very simple. Turn it this way to get the pawls in. There we go. Back together. Put the stainless screw and spacer back in position. Or just let it drop down there. Good. And tighten it back up. There. Make sure you're good and tight. I don't think they give a torque rating. Okay, see if it still works. Yes, it does. That's it. Hope this helps somebody. It's nice to be able to see how to do it rather than read how to do it.